how to get more FPS in Roblox. Okay, so first go to your computer and then we'll do three things here. All right, so the first one is this one. So what you can do is just click on the search bar here at the bottom and then look for or type in edit power and then click on edit power plan here. All right, now here click on power options here at the top, then click on this arrow here and then make sure to click on this high performance. All right, so once you've done that, you can just click close this. And then let's do the second one here. All right, so the second one is just click on the search bar here at the bottom again and then type in run, then click on run here and then you can just type in percentage capital T and then EMP and then percentage and then click on OK. All right, now here all of this are the things that you need to delete. All right, so just highlight all of them and then press delete on your keyboard. All right, so after you delete all of this, of course they'll go to your recycle bin, so just open up your recycle bin and then delete them again here. All right, so once you're done with that, you can just do the third one here, which is closing apps that you are not using. All right, so what you can do is click on an arrow here at the bottom and then you can just look at the apps here that you're not actually using. So what you can do is just right click on the app and then click on exit or quit. All right, and so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.